Hi, so I'm back again to show you how to start the tree. But first, we're going to peel off the tape just to show you that nice, clean line that you get, that border you get around your picture. You can do this in other things as well. When we're doing printmaking, we can tape off an edge to make a nice border. Okay, so, and here's my warm colors to compare. So I'm going to set this one aside, and I'm going to go here, and I'm going to work right in the middle, or close to the middle. And I'm just going to start with the trunk of the tree, and I'm kind of staying low to the page right now. Okay? I haven't even gone up into that next color yet. And now I'm just going to shade this in. And you're going to notice that when you are working on your tree, the oil pastel begins to come off in that area. And that's all right. Don't wipe it because it'll make a mess of your picture. Just kind of tap it and wipe it away. All right, so I'll go up a little bit higher here. All right, so now I'm at a place where I have to start working on the branches. And when you work with the branches, you want to think of the letter Y. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to start maybe from the middle here in this edge, and I'm going to make a branch out. And a branch out. And notice, I'm going to hold this a little bit closer. Notice how it's thick here, and then it goes thin here. Okay? And I can shade this one in. All right. I'm going to take it to the other side, so I'm going to make a Y, the other end of the Y this way, and make it thinner towards the top, and then I'll shade this in. All right, so now I'm going to start adding some other branches, but again, now this is going to be my Y. So I'll show you what I mean. So here's this branch. I'll hold it up a little closer. Being that it's a dark color, it's kind of hard to see, but here would be the letter Y. And shade that in a little bit. And then another Y. See what I mean by the Y? And another little branch, always thinking about the letter Y. I'm going to come off here, make a branch. You can probably tell in this video I'm starting to lose my voice a little bit. I'm going to go on the other side. I like to do both sides at the same time, like go back and forth between them, because it kind of helps you see where you need to add some branches. All right, so I'm going to kind of call this one done. And that's the judgment call. You have to be looking at your work to know when is my tree done. So here's my tree. One last little thing, I'm going to add the ground. So I'm going to come off the tree here, add this, but be careful that you don't go past your line there, your colored line. Now, what I'd like you to be thinking about is thinking about how you could use this technique in a picture that you create later in the school year. I'm going to show you one last way to finish these up, but I'm not going to make a video on that. I'll show you in class.